Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is the Onvoy made by Ghost Box. This is an amazing product. So basically it's similar to a digital version of a Ouija board. And ghosts can communicate with us using this either by touching it, because it detects vibration. It's got a very sensitive vibration sensor in it. Also via temperature changes, and also via EMF. So basically, a spirit can create EMF around it to pick something, or it can make a temperature change around it, up or down, to pick something. It can also touch it from the vibration to pick something. So basically you can see the symbols here, maybe not so easy on camera, but you've got the lightning symbol, that's for EMF. You have what looks like a temperature thermometer thing, so that's for the temperature. And then you have what looks like a finger pressing something, so that's for the vibration. So each of these can be tweaked individually. You can turn the sensitivity up and down. You also have a delay here, so you can set, if you put it on slow speed, it will set a delay after each action has been picked. So basically if it's going off too fast, you can force that delay or varying amounts of it, so it has to wait a fixed period before it can be triggered again. If you have it on the fastest setting, there's no delay at all, so every single little thing this picks up will select, make a selection. So you can choose between numbers. So just say you wanted to ask for someone's date of birth, rather than use the Ouija board with the letters, you put it onto the numbers. If you're wanting to ask someone's age or date of birth or whatever, or however many spirits are here. It's also got like emojis if you want to know how the spirit, whether the spirit's feeling happy or sad. And if you're wanting to ask standard questions, you put it on the alphabet mode. So it does have built-in batteries. It comes with a USB-C cable to charge it. It has a 1/4-inch female thread, so you can attach tripods to this. Yeah, most camera tripods have the 1/4-inch male thread, which will fit in it fine. So we use the dial to turn it on, and also to change the mode. It's still got the stick on the screen, I haven't pulled it off yet. So you turn it on slightly, just after it clicks, that's on. And then the more you turn it, it changes the modes. So what I've done here, just to give you a demonstration, because I can't with my hands create EMF, and I can't change the temperature, but I can create vibrations. So I've turned EMF and temperature down to the minimum settings, and I've turned vibration up a bit, so I can just tap it to select things. Turning the time delay off, just for demonstration purposes. So we'll turn it on. So when you first turn it on, it will be in letter mode. So if I just tap it, it's picking up the vibration for me. It was on H when I tapped it. And obviously you can put it on extremely sensitive, and the slightest little vibration will trigger it. So there you see it going through the letters. E was the last one which was selected, and the full words down below. So we can switch modes. Turn the dial a little bit more. There we go, we're on yes no there. So you can ask yes no questions. Did you die here? I'm tapping it to trigger the vibration at the moment, but also if we turn the sensitivity up on the EMF and the temperature, they can use that to trigger it too. So after the yes no, we have the numbers for asking date of birth and things. There we have, if you just want to view the temperature, so this is like your history log. So if you want to see how many times it's been triggered by tap, it shows you at the bottom. How many times it's been triggered by temperature, it shows in the middle. How many times it's been triggered by magnetism, your EMF is on the top, and it tells you the current temperature. So if you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching. Yeah, I just forgot to add, I missed the emojis. Yeah, I think I turned the dial a bit too fast, but you also have the emojis: happy, sad, angry, upset. So yeah, again, thanks for watching.